Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign up Gumtree account. So if you also want to sign up Gumtree account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I have opened Google Chrome. If you're using mobile device, you can directly open Gumtree application. After opening the browser, click on the search bar and type www.gumtree.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Gumtree. At the top right corner you can see option for login or register. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you already have an account, all you have to do is enter your email and your password and click on the login option right over here. But in order to sign up, what you have to do is switch to register. Click on the register. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. Now here you'll have to provide these informations. First of all, enter your first name. Now enter your last name. Now you'll have to provide your email address. Make sure you enter a valid email address. Now create a strong password. You have to enter at least 8 characters and you must include at least 1 capital letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number and 1 special character. After creating the password, register button will be activated. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. In order to activate your account, what you have to do is click on the link that is sent to your email address. What you have to do is open your Gmail. If you're using Google Chrome, go to New tab. Here you can see option for Gmail. Click on it. You can see over here Gumtree has sent me an email. Click on it. Scroll down. And here you'll be able to see an option for activate your account. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here your account is now active. Simply you'll have to enter your password. Click on the option login. And you can see over here your account has been created. So that is how you sign up Gumtree account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.